Hello, Isaac Allen. I'm going to be giving the last affirmative speech in this debate, the second affirmative rebuttal. And I will pretty much just go in the same order as the last speech. We'll talk about the spending disadvantage in this case. What the negative fails to have in this debate is any vision for the future. He is so concerned with the problems of today, he doesn't realize that the solutions of tomorrow are what will be essential to solving the problems of today. He's so caught up in his internal struggles and these economy issues that he doesn't see that a mission to Mars is really a mission to solving all the issues that he's pointing out. Now, let's go to his spending debate. He says that a mission to Mars is going to cost $500 billion. But you know what he doesn't respond to is my evidence from a professor at Stanford that says for every dollar we invest, we get $7 to $8 back. So that's nearly $10 trillion that we would be able to get off of this case just by generating and putting that kind of money into the economy. He also never answers the jobs. He says these jobs aren't normal people jobs. But that's absolutely not true. Every NASA facility needs jobs ranging all the way from people who are doing engineering type work to people who are doing more clerical and secretarial type work. These jobs are across the board. In fact, they are for everybody. It creates jobs across the board and is something absolutely essential that he never answers back. Plus, he never responds to my argument from the Republic, August 5th, 2009, that said, our argument from the Brookings Papers and Economic Activity 2007, which says the United States can withstand large deficits. So not only can we withstand large deficits, so we're never going to see the impact, but we actually turn the impact because we improve the economy way better than anything the affirmative is proposing. In fact, that's going to be my exact point on the case debate. He doesn't ever have a plan. He doesn't have a counter plan. He has no positive action coming out of the negative. He's just a negative Nancy. Let's go to the specific arguments he makes. He said we could develop it at home. Yes, but we're not doing that. He doesn't have a plan to do that. The only plan to save the Earth from destruction or to save the human species from destruction is the affirmative plan. The positive plan, which says we need to be exploring and going to Mars. Now, the next argument he makes is that we don't have enough technology, or the biodome argument. We have read several pieces of evidence throughout the debate, one from MSNBC and one from Zerbin, that say we have this technology. Second of all, our case is structured in such a way that we will be developing this technology. No, you're right, it's not all developed today. A large portion of it is. We just have to get it in line, pay the people to do that, help the economy, and then we'll be able to go to space. We'll be able to go to Mars with a mission that will be successful. Now, lastly, he says we're going to export our same greed all over the cosmosphere. Number one, there's no one out in the cosmosphere, so far as we can tell, that is going to be destroyed. And second of all, our argument and our evidence indicates that when we solve these problems in trying to go to Mars, we will solve those same issues here on home. We will solve the resource problems that cause poverty. At the end of the day, it's about vision. A vision for today and tomorrow to make it a lot better.